Hey, so welcome back to another QMark video. In this video, we're gonna see what is Google Dorking. So how an hacker searches in Google to get the accurate results of what he's looking at. Even you can use the same methods to do SEO marketing study, analytics, all these things can be done using these tools and these methods. So if you see this, Google is a big search engine, and the search results what you will be getting is like moreover like depending on your location, depending on your previous activities, all these type of things, your search results may vary. We're going to use this Google Dorking as a method to get the accurate results of what we are looking at. Getting any further delay, let's get into the video and see what tool I'm going to use and how I'm going to use to get the accurate results of what I'm looking at. For this video demonstration, I'm using my Windows PC. So if you see in my Google search, if I search for Ajith Kumar, I'm getting my Google research for actor Ajith. So let me try for Vijay. If you can see, again I'm getting for an Indian actor called Vijay. So if I use double quotes in the starting and the ending of Vijay character, and if I specify a tag and I want to remove the results of actor and specify a tag space and Chennai, I want to see the results of Chennai. Press enter. Now you can see we got the results of Vijay and it has removed all the actor results and it has selected Vijay in Chennai. So that is the location what I gave. If you can see here, we got the results for Vijay agency used in Chennai. By this way you can remove or you can add a specific character. Now let's search for site and specify the extension of the site .in and in URL type HTTP. Now this command gives me .in URL and which has HTTP website. You can see here this website is not secure and I can figure out the HTTP website like this and I can divide the HTTP and HTTPS request like this. Again, if I want to search for some other URL, let's try for .org or .co.in and press enter. Now you can see I got the .co.in URL's result. Now let's type allintext password space file type and let's specify the file type as txt. After I want to see the results after 2020. Let's give search. If you can see, I got the results. I can search not only for text, I can search for also logs. If you can see, I got all the logs file after 2020. Now you can see I got both the results of one as password text, of another one as password log. So this is a log file. So this is available in public repository. So likewise, you can find any log file or password dictionary available. All these will help you when you're doing a bug bounty recon or hacking recon survey. Now let me show you another tool what I use very commonly. So go to a new tab and search for Pagodo, Pagodo space GitHub and press enter. Open the first link. This is another Google Dorking tool. So let's download this tool. I'm using my Git. So let me copy the URL. So type git clone and copy paste the link and press enter. Now it will clone the repositories. Now the repo is cloned in my local. Now let's type ls to list the files. You can see we got the folder called Pagodo. Now let's cd into the folder and type ls. Now you can see the files what available inside this folder. Now we need to install the requirements. So to install the requirements, type python 3 tag m pip install tag r requirements .txt and press enter. Now it will install all the requirements what required to run this tool. Give it a moment. So now once it is installed, type ls and let's go to this folder called docs and type ls again. Now you can see all the files which we can use to pass a Google Dorking. If you want to find anything regarding JSON, you can do that. And if you want to find any files or if you want to find any services, you can do that. Just cat and copy paste the file name, and you can see all the Google Dorking search queries what we are supposed to use to get the results. Now let's try something from here. So I'm going to try this inurl search.php. Let's copy paste that command and search it, and here you can see all the PHP data of the websites. Now again type ls. Now you can see the sensitive directory. Just cat that file, type cat and copy paste the command, type sensitive directory.docs. These are all the search queries what you need to use if you want to get any sensitive information about your target. Let's go back to the folder. Let's type ls. Now let's run the tool. Let's run the tool by typing python3 pagodo.py space tag d, and let's specify our target. So for this demo, I'm using Flipkart as my target. Flipkart.com space tag g. And we need to copy what type of dorking we're going to use here and specify the directory. So it's in my dorks folder. Paste the doc file here and specify how many threads you're planning to send. So for this demonstration, and space, give the number 30. So that is what the number of threads what you're planning to send. You can increase or decrease the count. And tag E, update the time saying 35.0. You can add like 45 or depending on your convenience. And space tag J and type 1.1 and press enter. So I'm gonna run this tool full night. So now after running this tool full night, so you can see the results are stored here. So let's cat the result file. Now you can see the result of Flipkart Dorks has been stored in this file. So this method can be used to do all type of recon in any target. So this is more efficient when you're planning to do any CTF, or moreover when you're doing any testing for a company in which you want to find the previous data, the hidden data, whatever you can get openly on online. All these things is possible with this tool. And ending, echo, have fun. Hey, I hope you guys learned something out of this video. Do follow this channel. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching video till the end. I'll see you in the next video.